When people think of Split, they picture the old town, crowded streets, and packed beaches. But what if I told you there's a place just minutes away where it all slows down? A beach where the locals still go every day. Beautiful, lively, and somehow still relaxed. Welcome to Ježinac. Here, the sea sparkles like glass, framed by tall pines and stone terraces. It's not just beautiful, it feels peaceful, even though the city is right behind you. Families swim, couples relax, locals jump from the rocks they've known since childhood. This beach isn't fancy or staged, and that's its magic. The beach blends with nature. Soft rocks, crystal water, no noise, no chaos. Huge parking with plenty of space is available right behind the beach. Right next door is the Ježinac Gallery, home to one of Croatia's greatest sculptors. You can walk through art, then walk straight into the sea. And if you follow the coast just a bit further, you'll reach Marian Park, a huge green hill filled with pine forests, trails, and hidden viewpoints over the Adriatic. It's the perfect mix: beach, culture, and nature, all in one spot. You won't find loud music or crowds here. It's the kind of place that makes you slow down without realizing it. A beach that feels like it belongs to everyone, and somehow, to you too. So, if you're coming to Split, don't just follow the crowds. Find your way to Ježinac. Grab a towel, take a swim, explore nearby Marian Park or the Ježinac Gallery. And once you've been here, you'll understand why locals keep coming back. Ready to explore the entire Croatia? Subscribe and download our travel app today.